Hey everyone, we've made some changes to the asset library, and today I'm going to walk you through what's new. Let's get into it. When you log into Vizcom, you'll notice your asset library is comprised of a new folder hierarchy. So you'll now see that you have little libraries within your big asset library. Before, your asset library was organized by asset type, and now you have more control to organize your assets in a way that fits your flow. For new users, we've actually made a pre-built asset library to help you get started using Vizcom. Feel free to jump in here and pull inspiration for some of your first designs. If you're on an enterprise plan and are working as part of a team, you'll notice you'll have access to a team library. This is where you can organize and share assets with those you collaborate with. And if you're a freelancer or you're working as part of a studio, you can organize your assets into separate libraries by client or project. Not to mention, we've also added a new way to create through the asset creation panel. And we've also added the ability to save 3D models into your asset panel. These updates came as a way to provide you with more control for what best fits your flow. Your library, now organized your way.